Hello guys, this is Jer again of jeremy.tv. This is the unboxing video of our lens adapter EF to EFM lens adapter. We can use it on our Canon M50 Mark II. Like I said, I ordered an adapter to fit our EF lens. This is the prime lens. Okay, let's unbox it. So I have a bunch of lens here. By the way, this is my Canon 5D Mark III with the EF lens 24 to 105 millimeter. This one. Yes. And this is our new Canon M50 Mark II. I bought it on eBay. So we can test now. But before we unbox this lens, this adapter, lens adapter. Okay, let's unbox. So let's unbox it. Okay. Wala. By the way, I bought it in a K&F Concept. Yes. K&F Concept EF to EFM lens adapter. Voila. So here she is. EF EOS M Mark II AF mount adapter. It's K&F Concept. It's K&F Concept. So it's magnet. Nice carton. Nice box. With some, I think this is the manual. Chinese, written in Chinese. Written in, yes, instructions manual. Written in English. Luckily, there's an English here. And Allen key. I think this is to put the lens holder for here. And this is our adapter. Yes, with lens cover. I think. And this is the back side. Yes, it's good quality. I think it's aluminum. K&F Concept EF to EOS M2 AF. It's a good quality. And what else? What else? Oh, nothing. What is this? small paper here. Okay. So here she is. And there is a cup here. I don't know if it's fit here. No. Anyway, I ordered the cup for here. And so let's put in our camera. So this is the red there, and this is the white dot here. So we can align it like this, and then turn clockwise until it click. Voila. And then voila. And here's the shoe. You can put the shoe here, and we can remove it if you don't want. That's why it comes with the Allen key. Yeah, look. And then we try our 17 to 40 millimeter lens. This is an EF lens. So a line in the red dot there, like that, and then turn clockwise. Voila. So wow, ooh la la, I love it. Ooh la la. So we can we can put in full auto in photo settings. Okay, then turn it on again. Voila. Why it's turned in? It says it's not working. The automatic what happened? Automatic focus is not. What is that? Why? And now it's connected. Our 17 to 40 millimeter lens, and I put the settings in full auto in a photo mode. Then let's retry, so we can focus the lens. Voila. Other there, so we can Here is the quality. It's nice. Next time we test it in video mode. Wow. Whew. It's quite heavy when the lens connected. So we wait for our M lens for this EF lens. I ordered already. Nice looking camera. Look, it's very cute. It's very responsive. The autofocus is very expensive. Look, if you voila, focus, then and look, it's very sharp. Oh my God, I love this. Woo. But I need to learn more about the settings of this camera. So till next time, continue our review for this camera and adapter and lens for this camera. We test all that lenses. Is Samyang 770 to 300 millimeter. Oh, this is Samyang. This is the Samyang, and this is the Sigma. This one, and this one is the Canon 24 to 105 millimeter. Oh, nice. I will use it for my vlog and my reaction videos. And please subscribe to my other channel about life and music TV. Please. Okay. Guys, this is the actual video of Canon M50 Mark II with the adapter and our lens 17 to 40 millimeter Canon EF lens, and I put my external microphone to that camera. It's good. It's with eye detected focus, automatic focus, and face focus, AI servo, AF. Wow, it's very fast. Voila. But the depth of field, it's quite not okay. Not bad. Most important is the automatic focus. It's very responsive. Voila, we can test it outside. Okay. Guys, I'm outside. I set the ISO to 100. Aperture of 5.6. The shutter speed of 1 over 30 seconds. Voila. So guys, this is the review of my camera, the adapter, the lens, and my new Canon M50 Mark II. Sorry guys, I'm not a professional photographer and videographer, and this is my first time to have my first mirrorless camera. I need to learn more about this camera, the settings, and the functions. Okay guys, please subscribe to my channel, jerryv.tv, in my other channel about life and music TV. That is the reactions videos or reaction videos. So we use it for our reaction videos in some other vlogs. Okay, merci beaucoup, au revoir.